You know, there's always a time, every now and again, when you ask yourself, whatever happened to that BooneBum feller? You know, the one who created that cartoon about tacos raining from the sky. Well, I got a little announcement for anyone who was a fan of that there video. Raining Tacos 2, Hailing Taquitos. It's now out. You can go watch it. Or don't. And just sit there and wonder about the good old days when BooneBum made videos. Now I'm gonna go feed my horse. Cause that's what I sound like I have. You know.